Dreaming is a natural part of sleeping, but not everyone dreams in the same way. You might have enjoyable dreams, experience recurrent nightmares, or even dream while you're still semi-conscious. Once you officially experience these semi-conscious dreams, known as lucid dreams, you'll understand why so many people strive to have them. So, will listening to binaural beats help me lucid dream? Lucid dreaming requires your brain to be in a certain state. When you listen to binaural beats at a certain frequency, you will enter this state and have a lucid dream. However, you need to listen to them correctly to do so. If you've never experienced a lucid dream before, you might be uncertain about using binaural beats. Once you learn about lucid dreaming, you'll feel a bit more at ease and be more willing to listen to binaural beats. Lucid dreaming. If you've never had a lucid dream before, you're probably used to having a normal night's sleep in which you're completely unconscious and have no control of your mind or thoughts. Though this is what you're used to and what you perceive as normal, there are other types of dreams that are completely different. When you have a lucid dream, your perception of what dreams are will forever be changed. In fact, lucid dreams are so interesting and unique that many people will do almost anything to have them. Let's take a look at what lucid dreams are and why they're so popular in modern society. Lucid dreaming basics. One of the best methods of achieving lucid dreaming when starting is to keep a dream journal and write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. Doing this for several days or weeks helps your brain make connections so that it knows that you want to remember these dreams. The reason you do this as soon as you wake up is because we have a tendency to forget about them throughout the day. Eventually, you will start to achieve control towards the end of your sleep as you realize that you are in a dream state. What is lucid dreaming? When you have a lucid dream, you're in a semi-conscious state. That means that, while you're technically asleep, you're still aware of what's occurring within the dream. When you're dreaming in a lucid state, you may be able to control the events that are happening within the dream, the qualities of your dream's characters, and how long the dream ultimately lasts. These dreams take advantage of your real-world creativity and ideas and can effectively bring them to life while you're asleep. Many people find it extremely interesting that they can control their dreams and make them entertaining and enlightening. Out-of-body experiences versus lucid dreaming. Though there are major differences between astral projection, out-of-body experiences, and lucid dreaming, there are also several similarities between the three concepts. Out-of-body experiences. When you have an out-of-body experience, you're essentially encountering the world from outside of your actual body. That means you can view your surroundings and your life from a different perspective. When you have an out-of-body experience, you might have some control over the events that occur, but usually that's not the case. Astral projection. This concept is very similar to out-of-body experiences, but is usually caused intentionally. That means you're purposely entering a state in which you're having an out-of-body experience, but you have complete control over what you're seeing from this new perspective. Many people find astral projection to be a rather enlightening experience full of creativity. Lucid dreaming. When you have a lucid dream, you're not entirely conscious. However, you do have control over what occurs in the dream and what the characters within the dream are actually like. As you can see from the descriptions, astral projection and lucid dreaming are very similar concepts, with the major difference being your sense of consciousness throughout. In fact, many people describe astral projection as a glorified lucid dream. If you're unable to experience a lucid dream on your own, you could try to pursue astral projection to experience a very similar effect. Binaural beats and lucid dreaming. Most of the time you have lucid dreams. They occur on their own and you have no control over when they happen, though you do have control over what happens within them. That makes lucid dreams a difficult goal to achieve. Whether you've never had a lucid dream or you're desperately seeking another one, there are some methods you can use to help you reach this desired state. In particular, you can use binaural beats to help you get there. Can you achieve lucid dreams with binaural beats? Due to the fact that lucid dreaming is controlled entirely by the brain, you can 100% use binaural beats to help you experience a lucid dream. It does take a bit of practice and intention in order to achieve this result. However, not everyone will be able to have a lucid dream, and because of that, you should not be disappointed if you're unable to have one. Keep in mind that there are alternatives to lucid dreams that can provide you with very similar effects. How to use binaural beats to lucid dream. As we mentioned earlier, you're in a somewhat conscious state when you have a lucid dream. In order to use binaural beats to help you have a lucid dream, you need to encourage your brain to enter and remain within this state. In the process of falling asleep, the active brain waves within your brain will be predominantly within the theta range. These waves will keep you in a twilight stage that occurs immediately before you officially fall asleep, the perfect state for having lucid dreams. In order to trigger more theta waves within your brain, the most logical response is to listen to binaural beats within this specific range. Theta frequencies are anywhere between 4 and 8 Hz. That means your best bet is to listen to binaural beats that advertise themselves as being somewhere within that range. Lucid dream alternatives. In the previous section, we briefly discussed how similar lucid dreams and astral projection are. With that said, if you seem to be unable to experience a lucid dream, you can shoot for astral projection instead. Astral projection can be much easier to achieve than lucid dreams because it's associated with a wider range of frequencies. That means that, rather than only listening to binaural beats within the theta range, you have more options. So, what exactly are these options? Astral projection can occur at almost any frequency. In fact, some experts in the field suggest that you actually need to listen to all frequencies to experience the complete effects of astral projection. Meditation is also one of the best ways to get you to lucid dream. Here are some ways meditation can prove effective in helping you reach this state. Most types of meditation will actually bring you to a state where your theta waves are more active, which are the waves associated with lucid dreaming. When you're meditating, your focus will be significantly improved and you can practice visualization techniques in which you can control what you're picturing and what's occurring. Though you might not be able to lucid dream, the intense visualizations and relaxation associated with meditation can provide you with a very similar experience. Lucid dreams are an incredible adventure and allow you to experience your full potential when it comes to creativity and entertainment. However, it's almost impossible to encourage yourself to have a lucid dream on your own. Here are some tips for having lucid dreams and what you can do instead if you're not having success. Listen to binaural beats within the theta range, 4 to 8 Hz, to encourage a twilight stage where lucid dreaming is known to occur. Attempt astral projection as a solid alternative. Practice meditation on a daily basis and work on visualization skills. Sources and reference links are in the description below. If you stuck around to the end, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Check out our blog brainhackerexpert.com. And thank you for watching.